In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy the installation code from Elfsight. Let's get started. To copy the installation code for your widget in Elfsight, go to your Elfsight dashboard and locate the widget you want to install on your website. Once you find the widget, click on it to open the widget settings page. After that, look for the Add to Website or Install button. Click it, and Elfsight will display the installation code for your widget. You will usually see a code snippet that needs to be added to your website. Simply click the Copy Code button to copy the entire installation code to your clipboard. After copying it, you can paste the code into your website builder, CMS, or HTML section where you want the widget to appear. Make sure to paste the full code exactly as provided to ensure the widget works properly on your website. That's how you can quickly copy the installation code from Elfsight and add your widget to your website. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.